Harare Magistrate Judith Taruvinga has slapped violent teacher, Michael Freeman Chingwaru, with a 36 months prison sentence after he pleaded guilty to assaulting a student. Chingwaru will however perform 630 hours of community service after Harare Magistrate Judith Taruvinga suspended 18 months for 5 years on condition of good behavior. The other 18 months were also suspended on condition he performs 630 hours community service at Pereira Nyatwa Hospital. The temperamental teacher made headlines last week after being filmed brutally assaulting a student as other learners pleaded with him to stop. Chingwaru, a maths teacher at Harare Einstein Tuition Center in Harare, was seen punching, slapping and using a belt to beat up the student. Other students are heard on the phone video pleading, "You will hurt him, sir." The incident reportedly happened at around 10:30 a.m. on Thursday. The video went viral after it was posted online, sparking public outrage. On pleading guilt at court at the weekend, Chingwaru said he had a toothache which forced him to fail controlling his anger. Meanwhile, this has angered many people on social media. Here are SME of the post. Meanwhile, what I know is that he will lodge an appeal and his community service is suspended, Yamba Yang Opera Yakadaro, or replaced with something like RTSG $200 fine in 2023 when the appeal is looked at, Hasha Dezadu Jazarera. Apa Kungoitira Kuti Isu Vabaraki Venubu Tifer Wo, the magistrate is biased, the guy was supposed to serve 5 years in prison. Spare the rod and spoil the child, regrettably ni stress yemun yika munyo, teacher failed to control his anger. Magistrate should have advised to seek therapy on anger management. Chingwaru, a maths teacher at Harare Einstein Tuition Center in Harare, was filmed headbutting, slapping and using a belt to assault the 18-year-old student. Other students are heard on the phone video pleading, "You will hurt him, sir." The incident happened at around 10:30 a.m. on Thursday last week. According to the prosecution, the unnamed lower 6th student had earlier been found by Chingwaru in a Form 4 class watching movies after bunking lessons. Chingwaru ordered the student to return to his class. Instead of returning to his class, the student went to a biology classroom and met the same teacher, leading to a confrontation. Corporal punishment has been outlawed in Zimbabwe.